Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. From the title of the video, you guys would have already guessed that today's video is going to be a skincare related video. Since all of us are staying home, I thought why not we, pamper our skins a little bit, which is something that we always ignore in our busy lives. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very simple yet effective facial with just minimal ingredients. I totally understand that the lockdown is still on. So we're going to be pampering our skin with just some really basic ingredients that we can find in every household. I'm going to be dividing this facial into 3 steps. The first one is exfoliation. This is where we scrub our face and remove all the dead skin present on it. The second one is face pack for that extra glow. The third and the last one is hydration and moisturization. The more your skin is hydrated, the more it will glow. So without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. Here we're going to be preparing a face scrub for which you will need 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Just mix these two. Once it is well mixed, it will start to look like a rough mixture, and all that you have to do is rub it on your face in circular motion. Make sure you cover each and every corner of your face. Exfoliation is a really important step which most of us tend to ignore. By exfoliating your face or by scrubbing your face, you will remove all the dead skin, blackheads, whiteheads present on your skin. Do this for good 5 to 6 minutes and then wash off your face. As you can see, my skin looks squeaky clean and all ready for the next step. Time for a face mask. You will need 1 tablespoon gram flour, a pinch of turmeric, around 2 teaspoons of curd and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix all these ingredients well so that it forms a thick paste like this. And all that you have to do is apply this paste evenly onto your skin. I'm sure most of you here are aware of this face mask, but trust me, it gives wonderful results after scrubbing your face. Make sure you cover each and every corner of your face. Leave this mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and once it is dry, you can wash off your face. Damn, do you see that glow on my face? And also because of the turmeric in the face mask, my face looks a lot brighter. The next step is very simple. You just need a cube of ice. Take that cube of ice and rub it all across your face. This will ease out any kind of inflammation or irritation that's already present on your skin, and also will give you a natural glow. The next step is to lock in that moisture. You will need aloe vera gel. I'm using fresh aloe vera gel here. I'm just going to scoop out some of it from the plant and I'm going to mash it into a paste, and then I'm using vitamin E capsules. I'm just going to use 2 of them. So I'm just going to cut it open on the top and squeeze out all the liquid present in the capsule. Now I'm going to mix these two well, and this will have a gel-like consistency, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. It might be a little messy, so make sure you cover your dress or your t-shirt with something before you carry on the step. I swear by this step, aloe vera has some amazing hydration properties and vitamin E is a great moisturizer for your skin. So both of this will provide you that extra moisture and hydration that your skin will need. Once you're done applying this, I would recommend you to massage your face, go in upward direction. Make sure you cover all those important points. This will help your skin absorb the mixture better. You can carry out the massage for about 5 to 6 minutes, and once that is done, you may wash off your face with some warm water. I am absolutely loving how my skin is looking at the moment. Next up, you're going to be making a facial spray for which you will need some water, a green tea bag, and I'm going to let this green tea bag sit in water for about 10 minutes. And then into a different bottle, I'm going to be adding some rose water. Now that my green tea looks done, I'm also going to be pouring this green tea into the same bottle. And that's all, your facial spray is ready. This has amazing antioxidants and will keep you fresh. So I'm just going to spritz my face with this facial spray and whoa, that feels fresh. Next up, I would suggest you to apply your moisturizer and massage your skin with your moisturizer. Make sure you're following me on my Instagram because I post a lot of skincare stuff there as well. And that's it. My at-home facial is done and my skin and myself, both of us are really happy. Can you see that natural glow on my skin? It's so simple. I just use basic ingredients that are present in every household. Make sure you guys try this and let me know what you think. That marks the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun and also found this helpful. If you happen to try this, let me know your experience. I would love to know how your skin felt after treating yourself with this facial. Also share this video with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such skincare videos. I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye.